Submitting documents to Gmail for account approval can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents that Gmail requires for account approval. This may include identification, proof of address, or any other relevant paperwork. Ensure that these documents are clear and legible. Step 2. Log into your Gmail account. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Enter your credentials to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Access the account recovery or support page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow the submission instructions. Read the instructions carefully on how to submit your documents. This may involve uploading files directly or sending them via email. Make sure to follow the specified format and size requirements for the documents. Step 5. Confirm submission and wait for response. After submitting your documents, check for a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your email for any updates from Gmail regarding your account approval status. It may take some time, so be patient. By following these steps, you can successfully submit your documents for Gmail account approval. Good luck!